ColdJet has just always stood out to us as the superior dry ice blasting, dry ice everything, dry ice blasting, production equipment. So we wanted to partner with the best from the beginning, and we have continued to do so. My name is Chelsea Deal, and I am the Director of Sales Operations here at Emery. Emery launched at the beginning of 2018, and we started off as an equipment rental company, solely renting ColdJet dry ice blasting machines out of our facility, and quickly realized that there was a need for also providing this service to customers. So we pivoted, added services and products, and we have not stopped doing that since the beginning. We have continued to get the newest and greatest that comes out of ColdJet, our production equipment, the new mixed media machine. As ColdJet grows and expands their product line, we are able to provide our customers a better service, and it's been great.
My name is Sean Schulte. I'm the Vice President of Manufacturing for Emery Dry Ice. Here at Emery Dry Ice, we manufacture dry ice for the industries of blasting, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, as well as the airline industries. We have perfected the formula to assist the customer in using less product. With ColdJet's help, we've been able to fine-tune it to get the exact formula down to provide a high-quality, long-lasting product. With our current setup with ColdJet equipment, we're able to respond to a customer's need within hours. So the product that you're getting is as fresh as you can possibly get it, coming straight from machine to truck to customer in less than 24 hours. With the level of service that we're getting from ColdJet, we're able to maintain the level of service we are promising our customers without fail. From start to finish, they've been really, really good. If I've got a problem, I can just jump on the phone, text them, call them, send them pictures, and they're literally right there on the spot helping me out. I would recommend ColdJet to anyone who's interested in making their own ice. You can go get a different machine, but you're not going to get a better product. And with choosing ColdJet, it helps us understand the industry a little bit better and be able to provide the best of the best.